smashed them into... Oh, did you see that? Pebbles!
Yeah! Wouldn't it be great to be like
Pebbles!
What's going on here?
We were just, waiting for the news!
Pebbles! Yeah, that's right. We wanted to see if we did anything rotten today.
Silence! How many times do I have to tell you dingbats to do something useful with your spare time? Like, kissing my rippling penis. I have some nasty little wants to perform.
No one save you! Dr. Robotnik!
You've this time really done it. My clothes are ruined. Why I ought to... Rottenness? What in the name of what is going on?
Hey! Look at Dr. Robotnik!
Ooh, his penis is getting hard. It's turning into muscles.
I feel powerful. This stuff did something to me. Relax. You're getting a promotion to First Lieutenant. And I'm demoting you to Dodo, and I'll be to recreate whatever I want. With my new powers, I can do stop me, and Sonic won't be able to...
We've got to take at least. Why, shelter so loud? Why do you refuse to listen to my voice?
As it should be.
Is that... Flame? It's Iblis!
Yahoo! What happened?
That's Mephiles? They're escaping!
No! See ya!
Okay. Hurry!
I'm take a cry. Ears will call forth the...
Ugh!
Did you do it?
Yeah! What happened?
Properly sealed. Yes. Flames are the flame. It's done. You're going to leave it behind?
Sweet! Here I come! Ha! Yahoo! As it should be. See ya!
Of course. Yes, of...
No! All right! Bring it on! Gotta try harder. See ya!
There's an OS coming to us, Eggman's from Dr. Ace. Our last location was communicated hours ago. It was 26 hours. We expect an immediate rescue. Shadow the Hedgehog.
Understood. Initiating the mission now.
Don't you want to know what...
Penis!
My to rescue you assignment was nothing more.
With you, fine business. It's always... It seems they don't want us to leave.
Ugh! Ha! Here I come!
City of Water. Juliana. It has a monarchy, you know. The institutional monarch. The tourism, precision, and crafting primary industries are machinery. The current sovereign is Princess
Penis.
the Third.
Ha! Yahoo! Sweet! As it should be.
How should I know? I just followed my...
Penis.
Anyway, I have a little favor to ask of you.
Yeah! See ya!
It's the ancient castle of...
Penis.
in Kingdom Valley.